Hi everyone, welcome to Unit 6, Week 2, Day 3. So we're going to do phonemic awareness first. That means I'm going to say some sounds and we're going to count how many sounds there are. So if I say, d, n. In the word dawn, there are 3 sounds. So let's do a few more of those. Let me move this up here so I can see. So, j, 2 sounds in jaw. B, ul, 3 sounds in ball. W, k, 3 sounds in walk. H, ul, 3 sounds in hall. K, ul, 3 sounds in claw. Z, 3 sounds in cause. K, ul, 4 sounds in crawl. F, ul, t, 4 sounds in fault. Okay, so let's look at our words that we're reviewing a bit today. So we know that AW says ah. We've talked about this. So I'm going to give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, draw. 3, 2, 1, walk. 3, 2, 1, jaw. I think this is your jaw. 3, 2, 1, talked. 3, 2, 1, haul. 3, 2, 1, chalk. 3, 2, 1, crawl. 3, 2, 1, sauce. 3, 2, 1, wall. 3, 2, 1, salt. Okay, so once again we have our ah sound. 3, 2, 1, hawk. 3, 2, 1, salt. 3, 2, 1, launch. 3, 2, 1, chalk. Okay, so let's look at some of our sounds. Ah, s, nt, sh, full, e or I, a, to, less, oo, un, oi, oo. I think it's you. Okay, so AL says ah, AW says ah, AUGH says ah. Let's see. I think that's it. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so blend, call. Okay, let's do the next one. Here's my ah sound. Blend, sauce. Okay, ah sound. Blend, talk. Blend, ball. AL says, now remember, it can say or all. So this time it says all. Bald. AUGH says caught. Now remember, AL can say all, also. Okay, let's look at the next one. Haunt. Drawing. Awful. Because. Okay, now this time I'm going to let you do it. Now, what you'll notice here is we don't have right now. We have vowel teams. Vowel teams go together, 2 vowels that go together, and generally the first one does the talking. So it would be O, and then it would be E. So I'm going to give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oatmeal. Oatmeal. It's a compound word. Okay, let's do another one. So we know that this is 3, 2, 1. Daughter. This is 3, 2, 1. August. This is ah. 3, 2, 1. Auto, like an automobile, like a car. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Always. 3, 2, 1. Hallway. Hallway. Compound word. Hallway. Hallway. Now AY, a vowel team. AY, the A says his name. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Another vowel team. Sleepless means without sleep. Here's another vowel team. OI. So, but it's not going to be O this time. It's just going to be OI. Join. 3, 2, 1. June. 3, 2, 1. Untrue. That means not true. Okay, let's look at our sentence. Did you draw a hawk, a fawn, or a walrus? Let's go here. Mrs. Now remember, Mrs. means they're married. Mrs. Paul's daughter crawled on the lawn. Okay, let's look at our spelling. Dawn. Pause. Talk. Daughter. Small. Did you draw this hawk? Okay, I need to correct one thing. Last time I said that, like, chalk. No, it was salt. S-A-L-T. I was like, oh, it says by just with the A. That's not true. It had an A-L. So A-L says Okay, so this time we're going to read a story. I'm going to be marking the Thank you, authors. So authors are people. Oh, authors! We're excited. Love, picture, hour, about, some, friend, together, what. Thank you, authors! If you love to read, then you can thank an author. Authors help us to pause, that means stop, and make a picture in our minds when we read books. When you choose a book, think about the words inside. Is the book about a hawk? Is the book about men who launch a rocket? An author uses all kinds of words. An author can cause you to think about a lot of things. A brother can read a book about a haunted house. A mother can read a book about plants or lawns. A father can read a book about bikes or automobiles, cars. Some authors can draw too. They might draw a new land or a shark with big teeth. At dawn, you can wake up. At dawn, you can wake up, yawn, and grab a book. You can call a friend and read together. What do you like to read? If you met an author, what words would you use? What would you say to him or her? You can say thank you. Okay, so today we're learning about structural analysis, and we're talking about vowel teams. So when the letters AU, here they are, AU come together in a word, they act as a vowel team. That means they stick together and must stay in the same syllable. So blend the first syllable. So if I go la, I would go laundry. I would not go laundry. See, that doesn't make sense. So let me go back. Let's go back on that. Okay, so let's do it again. Okay, laundry. So we're gonna keep our vowel team together. They stay together. Okay, let's do another vowel team. AI is another vowel team. Okay, so let's explain is the word. Let's break it into syllables. Explain. So EX, explain. Do you see how the AI stay together? They're not separated because they're a team. So here's another vowel team. Okay, so we're going to go like this. Awful. See how they stay together? We wouldn't go awful. That doesn't make sense. So it's awful. Okay, next one is soaking. Here's our vowel team, OA. soaking. We're going to break it right here. Soaking. Okay, let's do a couple more. I want you to see if you can find the vowel teams. So let's hook together. This is ah, that's a vowel team. And that's it. Here's another vowel team because it's two vowels. Here's another vowel team. I'm not sure why W is part of a vowel team. Maybe it's because the A. I'm not sure. Here's another vowel team. Oh. And another vowel team, and another vowel team, and another vowel team. Okay, so we've marked our vowel teams. Let's read these words. Launching. Launching. So I'm going to break it right here. Launching. 1, 2 syllables. My ah did not get separated. Okay, let's do faucet. Faucet. So my A-U stays together. Faucet. Okay, let's do jigsaw. Jigsaw. So here's jig, and then saw. My A-W stayed together. Lawyer. 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 So my A-W stayed together. Raccoon. Raccoon. I think you break it right here. Raccoon. Okay, last one, oatmeal. Here's my vowel team. Oatmeal. Oatmeal. Okay. So let's look at our high frequency words. Brother. This is a picture of Tom's brother Tim. Father. Jake's father and mother coach his baseball team. Friend. My friend and I love to play baseball. Love. My friend and I love to play baseball. Mother. Jake's father and mother coach his baseball team. Picture. This is a picture of Tom's brother Tim. Okay, so we're just going to skip that. So once again, we've been working on possessive pronouns. So a pronoun is she, he, it. It's instead of saying the name or the group, you would just say we or they. A pronoun tells you who it's about, but it doesn't say the person's name. So a possessive pronoun is telling you whose it is. So if I say it's my toy, it's no. If I say that was mine, mine is a possessive pronoun. It's telling you it's mine. It's not yours. It's not theirs. Her dog was very nice. The possessive pronoun would be her. It's her dog. His toys are nice. Whose? His. They're his toys. So possessive tells you whose it is, and the pronoun is telling you who it is without their name. So it's like she, her, his, theirs. It's their toy. The toy is theirs, so they share it. I hope that makes sense. And let's just look at this. Mrs. Johnson protects all the kids on her bus. So what would the possessive pronoun be? Her. It's her bus. Okay, friends, I'll see you tomorrow.